Survival in the wild often hinges on your ability to hunt, and mastering bow hunting can be a game changer. Start by selecting a suitable bow. A recurve or compound bow is ideal for hunting due to their power and accuracy. Your arrows are just as important. Choose broadhead arrows designed specifically for hunting to ensure a clean kill. Practice is critical. Spend ample time honing your aim and accuracy, focusing on consistently hitting targets from various distances. Scouting your hunting area is another essential step. Look for signs of animal activity, such as tracks, droppings, and feeding areas. Identifying trails and potential ambush points can greatly increase your chances of success. When it comes to stalking an ambush, stealth is key. Move quietly and stay downwind to avoid detection by your prey. Utilize natural cover and concealment to blend into your surroundings. When you finally take the shot, aim for vital areas such as the heart and lungs to ensure a quick and humane kill. Remain calm and steady as you draw and release the arrow, maximizing your chances of a successful hunt. Master these skills, and you'll significantly improve your survival odds. Like and subscribe